Hello everyone, I am Dayal Singh Rathod, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, and today we are going to discuss about wall timing diagram of single cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine. In diesel engine, fuel inject through fuel injector and piston move to TDC to BDC, top dead center to bottom dead center, and again bottom dead center to top dead center. So first of all, in suction stroke, the piston position is on TDC. So before suction stroke start, intake valve open 25 degree. Intake valve open 25 degree before piston TDC position, and the intake valve open early with respect to TDC position of the piston. To this compensate for slow operation of the valve, means silent operation. And after this, the suction stroke complete complete when the piston position is um, 25 degree after the bottom dead center. So, around the in suction stroke, intake valve opens around 225 degree. Similarly, the closing after the BDC position of the piston is meant to accommodate maximum air molecules inside the cylinder. Then, after the suction stroke, the compression stroke will start. In compression stroke, piston move to BDC to TDC position. So at the end of the compression stroke, when the piston position is 5 degree before the TDC position, top dead center position, the fuel injection start. In end of the compression stroke, before the piston position on top dead center, 5 degree before the piston position on top dead center, fuel injection will start, and fuel injection will close after piston position to 25 degree after the piston TDC position. Fuel injection stop after 25 degree to the piston top dead TDC position. So when fuel injection stop, the expansion stroke will start. In expansion valve, piston move to TDC to the BDC position, and to achieve maximum equation of exhaust gases, the exhaust valve is timed to open early, around 45 degree before piston bottom dead center position, BDC position, piston BDC position, 45 degree before BDC position. So exhaust valve open 45 degree before piston BDC position. After the expansion, or maybe say power stroke, the in exhaust stroke, in exhaust stroke, the exhaust valve close after piston 15 degree after the piston TDC position. After the piston reached the TDC, during the exhaust stroke, a part of gases is still left in the clearance volume. The clearance volume between the position of valve and um, piston top portion. The clearance volume between a gap between the valve and piston top position. So a part of gases is still left in the clearance volume. The late closing of exhaust valve exists in removal of these remaining gases. So, approximate in suction stroke, the inlet valve opening duration is around 225 degree, and in exhaust stroke, the exhaust valve opening duration is around 240 degree, and eight of the in the suction stroke starting and exhaust stroke ending. The phase is come which is known as a wall or overlapping phase. Wall overlapping phase. In wall overlapping phase, inlet and intake and exhaust valve, both the valve is open, and this duration is around 40 degree. This overlapping duration is around 40 degree. So thank you very much.